Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your laptop. We'll walk through practical fixes you can do right now, explained clearly so you know why each one helps and how to do it safely. Start with a simple restart. Save your work, close open apps, and reboot. This clears temporary files, resets stuck background processes, and frees up memory leaks. If your laptop has been in sleep mode for days, a restart can make an immediate difference. Next, check your RAM and consider an upgrade if needed. On Windows, open Settings, go to System, then About to see Installed RAM. On a Mac, click the Apple menu and choose About this Mac to view memory. If you regularly multitask, use many browser tabs, or edit photos and videos, 8 GB is a practical baseline, and 16 GB is smoother. Before upgrading, verify whether your model supports it. Some laptops have RAM soldered to the board. Then purchase compatible modules from a trusted source. Free up hard drive space. On Windows, open Settings, go to System, then Storage to review what's taking up room. Turn on Storage Sense or run Disk Cleanup. On a Mac, open the Apple menu, choose About this Mac, then Storage and manage to remove large files, old downloads, and unused apps. Aim to keep at least 15 to 20% of your drive free. Low space slows both traditional hard drives and SSDs. Disable unnecessary startup programs. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, and disable apps you don't need running at boot. On a Mac, open System Settings, go to General, then Login Items, and remove extras. Fewer auto-launch apps mean faster startups and less background loading. Update your operating system. On Windows, check Windows Update for the latest patches and restart if required. On a Mac, go to System Settings, General, then Software Update. These updates improve performance, stability, and security. Run a malware scan. Make sure your security software is up to date, then run a full scan to catch hidden threats that can hog resources or cause crashes. Optimize your browser. Update it to the latest version, remove heavy or unused extensions, clear cached data, and limit open tabs. Browsers can be the biggest memory consumers on any laptop. Finally, check power settings. On Windows, open Settings, then System, Power and Battery, and choose a balanced or best performance mode when plugged in. On a Mac, open System Settings, go to Battery, and select settings that prioritize performance over battery life when you're connected to power. Work through these steps, and your laptop should feel noticeably faster and more responsive. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.